Welcome back, y'all. I just got back from the dentist. My teeth clean. That's what I went for. Just a teeth cleaning. Anyways, my name is Linnea. Welcome back. If you're new here, this is a place where we live in the suburbs and trying to be semi-self-sufficient. And, you know, this is the perfect video where I'm going to introduce myself and tell you a little bit more about myself. Now, the first video that I ever made on this channel was just that, but also that was the very first video that I ever made on this channel, and I'm not really sure how good it was. Also, I'm not really sure if I've even improved since then. But the real truth is, we are going on vacation. Actually, when you guys are watching this, we will be on vacation. We will be in California, maybe at Disney, maybe on the beach. I'm not sure, but we will be on vacation when you're watching this. And I keep staring at Calvin because he's rolling in the grass. But anyways, I needed to make one more video so I can edit and upload it so I can have it go up while we're on vacation and I didn't have to worry about making a video and editing it and all the things while we are gone. And so I thought that this would be a perfect opportunity to tell everyone a little bit more about myself. And yeah, I have no notes. We're just winging it because that's what I do best. I keep it real. So if you're interested in that, consider subscribing, liking the video. If not, that is awesome. Thanks for stopping by. So yeah, what we do on this channel is we garden, as you can see in the background. We garden, we can, we make recipes, we do sourdough, and some other stuff in between. So let me just show you a couple of examples of the things that we canned right here. We've got some pickles from last summer, and I'm gonna keep it real and tell you that I had to buy these cucumbers from the store because the deer ate all of my cucumber plants last year, and I think I got like 3 cucumbers. This year, we're gonna try to fix that. So again, you know, keeping it real, I showed you guys how I do pickles, but I had to buy these from the grocery store, and that's okay. That's okay. You can live in the suburbs. You can buy vegetables and all the things from the grocery store, and you could still can. That's okay. So we've got pickles. I did some baked beans. These are delicious. This was the first time I ever did baked beans. There is a video on that if you're interested. What else we got here? We've got some applesauce. We went and picked these apples with some of our friends and then made applesauce. And this is like the best applesauce I've ever had in my life. And just blinded myself with the glare of the lid. Anyway, I'll be keeping it real here. This is no fake channel. Anyways, so if you're interested in making some applesauce, I got a video on that, and I'm gonna be honest, I'm probably going to make another video on that next fall because it's really fun. I also have a neighbor who's outside raking, and he's staring at me talking to the camera. That's what happens when you live in the suburbs. What else we got here? We have some Calvin's gonna bark. Maybe not. We have some strawberry lemonade concentrate. This is super delicious to put in some like plain sparkling water and make it all tasty and yummy. I did do a video on that. I will be making more this year. I don't know if I'll do another video on it, but this is super delicious. This is probably one of the best things to can. And I think last year, my biggest accomplishment was I grew and canned enough tomatoes to make 21 pint jars, that is, of pasta sauce. 21 jars. We still haven't used it all. It's just the two of us. It's just me and Jonathan. That's my husband. Yeah. I think I have like 4 or 5 jars left, but I literally, like I said, I live in the suburbs. I'll show you. Let me pan this camera, maybe. Let me Let me show you all the suburban living. See? There's definitely houses all around us. I grew all of the tomatoes in my garden, canned all of this, and I will be making another video this summer, I think. Excuse me. I will be making another video on pasta sauce again, I think, because we're gonna get some better equipment and maybe do it better. I've got some more ideas for canning for this summer. We're gonna dehydrate and make our own Italian seasoning, I think, in the dehydrator. We do all the things here. So if you're interested in that at all, if you live in the suburbs and you don't know where to start, or if you don't think that you can do this, let me tell you, you can. Consider subscribing, following along on the journey of us trying to be a little bit more self-sufficient. Yeah, last year I did not buy a single plant from the grocery store. I think I started every single tomato, pepper, cucumber, herb, all of the things. I started all of it in the basement, and I did not buy a single plant from the grocery store, and that was probably like my biggest accomplishment. This year, you know, like I said, I'm just winging it. I've got some grapes growing over there. I think you could see, if that's where I'm pointing, I think over there somewhere. I'm hoping that we get some grapes this year. Maybe we'll make some jelly, maybe we'll make some grape juice. I don't know. That's an adventure. Come along with me. So I'm not really sure how long I've rambled. Probably long enough. Probably not going to make any cuts. This is just going to be a real raw video because that's who I am. Like I said, we're not about, you can see Calvin back there. Calvin, that's my dog. He's my favorite. I love him. He's 2, and he is my shadow, and he is my favorite, you know, besides Jonathan. But don't tell Jonathan. Jonathan knows. He knows. Anyway, now that I have rambled and all the things, maybe as it gets closer to summer, I'll just do like a very, very beginner recipe or something on canning, water bath canning. We do pressure canning and water bath canning on my channel. I maybe will do, Calvin is just eating grass. Maybe I'll do a beginner video on how to water bath can safely. I like to think that we do it safely. We follow the Ball Blue Book for canning. I am super paranoid about killing myself or Jonathan or anyone else that I give food to, so I try to follow the recipe in the Ball Blue Book 100%. I will end this actually by telling you guys a quick story. I don't think I've told this story before, but like I said, I'm a super raw, real person, so I'm gonna be very transparent and just tell you this story. It was like, I think a couple summers ago. It was definitely not last summer because my neighbor died. It had to have been the summer before or the summer before that. I don't know. Our neighbor she was 93 when she passed away last summer, but she was an older lady living by herself right next to us. And one summer day, I gave her a can of salsa. This is tomato sauce, but I'm just holding it up. Salsa that I had canned, and I obviously gave it to her. And after I gave it to her, I was like, oh my gosh, like what if I kill her? She lives alone. No one's gonna know. What if I gave her something that was bad? And so for like a week or two straight after I gave her that, like I would make sure and like see if her lights were on at night to see if she was like still alive. She was fine. She told me that salsa was really, really good. She shared it with her family, all the things. So that's my story of being paranoid about like killing someone with botulism, which we're gonna try not to do. Anyway, this has already got to be like a 10-minute video or something. I have no idea. I need to go edit it because we need to pack and leave for vacation tomorrow. Yeah, so with that being said, if you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. If not, if you leave me a mean comment, I will probably say something back and then block you because I don't have time for negativity on this channel. I like to be a very positive person, so it is what it is. Anyway, I hope you all have a fantastic rest of your day, no matter what you're doing. And I will see you guys in the next one. I forgot to tell you, PS, oh my gosh. I also do sourdough because why not? I have some, my dog is digging. I'm sorry, I'm very distracted. Stop it. He's not stopping it. I like to do kind of sourdough experiments. That's just something fun for me. I like to try to make the best loaf possible. I'm like on a sourdough journey. I have some videos that I have saved from Instagram of like hacks and stuff to do like same day sourdough, like no need same day sourdough, and you'll make a perfect loaf. So when I get back from vacation, the video will probably be our vacation because everyone wants to see us in Las Vegas and California, maybe, I don't know. But the video after that is definitely going to be the sourdough hack, and we're gonna test it out. We're gonna see if it works, and I'll let you guys know. So now I am very distracted by my dog. I will maybe show you guys after I finish this, after I say goodbye. I'll maybe show you his digging. Anyways, have a great rest of your day. I'll see you guys in the next one. It will be vacation, and then it will be sourdough. So, see you guys in the next one. Bye.